Mason jar with my water, spirulina, mamacita, Lisa Micha. Oh, you alkaline too. I'm feeling the vibe.
Hello, hi, I'm Alexis Verday. I love this part of this song. Have you ever been in a conversation with somebody and like you hear in the background like the best part of the song and you're like, you want to listen to this person, but you want to... Yo, let me focus. Okay, so welcome to my channel. If you're still here, then you're cool, and you should probably subscribe. Hello, hi, I'm Alexis Verday. So I've got some locks on my head, right? So this video is gonna be about these babies. They are 7 months, around 7 months, and also 7 different hairstyles or way that I wear these locks. So if you're here for that, then stay tuned. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Here's hairstyle number 1. So I guess as I'm showing you the hairstyle, I can be like, hold on, let me get down here. I can, be telling you about my locks or talking about them. But yeah, so I got these in June. This is hairstyle number 1. This is a headband that I got in Costa Rica. Speaking of Costa Rica, so I'm sure you can see I have this one longer lock here. I got this one done in Costa Rica. Like, I started off with the braid, and then one of my Costa Rican friends out there who has like a head full of locks, he kind of did, I guess it's what you would call an instant lock. Like, he used a crochet needle and like instant locked it, and it was maybe like literally this short when I first got it. And this is 3 years long. 3 years old. I got this in December of 2016. So did I say 3 years long? Pretty much same thing. But here's hairstyle number 1. Alright, so let's get into number 2. So if you shake out your locks, I know I just put some shea butter in them and they're happy about that because I usually just put water and coconut oil or just water, sometimes tea tree oil for my dandruff that I be having. And I recently, since it rained in LA, like the aloe vera in my backyard and just the aloe vera that's been around when I'm walking around town, it's been beautiful and nice and juicy. So I just started using aloe vera. So this is hairstyle number 2. I actually haven't worn my hair like this yet because my locks have only recently been like, I mean, obviously this is as long as they've ever been, but they recently had a growth spurt, and I wonder if it's because of the rice water that I use. So I have some rice water in here, and this is also tea tree and aloe. It's a bunch of stuff in there, but this is hairstyle number 2. Just with any headband, I guess, like just put it around, like you can just tie it, any headband you have. So hairstyle number 3 would be with a simple hat, a bucket hat. Now, I've been loving bucket hats these days. I think they're super cute, super stylish, super hip and trendy, and I don't know, I love them. They make me think they remind me of Schoolboy Q, and so, I mean, that's pretty dope. Honestly, like I said, my locks have this is the first time that I'm feeling them. I think with the weight of the shea butter, I can finally feel them, like, and with weight of water, I guess. I'm really happy I've started to use my spray bottle more because I've seen so much more growth just by using my spray bottle. So this next hairstyle, let me take a deep breath. This next hairstyle is basically gonna be turn this music up. So this can be either in a ball, and you can stop here and have some out, or you can have them like all out like that. But I'm gonna do them in a ball. That's how I usually wear it. I try not to manipulate my hair too much. I know the lock community, well, I mean, the lock community probably would let me consider my locks to be whatever they are, but I consider them to be semi-freeform because I'm really not manipulating them, at least for LA standard and where I live standard, where everyone cares about your appearance so much. like I really don't. I mean, I love myself. Like, I guess not cares about their appearance is the right way to put it. I feel like where I'm at, a lot of people value a certain look or prefer a certain look. They have a certain look in their head that they think is the ideal, and if you look other than that, then you're going to be stereotyped or seen as whatever the consensus says this person who looks like this or does this kind of thing is. If I hope that makes sense. I'm sure I hope it resonates, but just basically, like, yeah, like, there's these European, let's just be upfront with it, there are European, like, beauty standards, and I feel like locks are the complete, like, polar opposite, you know? Or not even polar opposite, but I guess maybe locks are just so black, I guess, is what I'm saying. Locks are just so black, and blackness, obviously, there's been a war against blackness, you know, and this is like the main way a person can just out there say, like, I'm black and I'm proud because I'm wearing it, like, I'm walking it, like I talk it, like I'm actually practicing the natural lifestyle. And I think that's what blackness is all about. Like, Africa is, everything there is natural and abundant, naturally, and just like, so yeah, abundant is just the best word for it. I literally had a dream about something like regarding to abundance, and that's super synchronistic and trippy and super cool, and I'm glad I'm sharing this experience with y'all. But so what number are we on? What hairstyle are we at? So this is like 5 or something, I don't know. But this they're 7 months, and I'm so happy with them, honestly. Like, I know I probably did go through like a quote unquote ugly phase, but like I said, I know I'm beautiful. If you got some water, remember to drink water. When you just start jamming on the SP really quick, just because you want to do it. Okay. Anyway. Dang, you came here for locks, but you're getting a lot more. You're getting a lock more. Okay, let me get on to the next hairstyle. Just take time to breathe. Okay. It's okay to slow down, Alexis. Yes, people want their quick content, but it's okay to slow down. Yes, I can edit this out, but it's okay for people to see the entire process. And it's okay for me to be completely authentic. So this is another way you can wear it. My hair finally fits in a freaking ponytail. I'm so happy. Yo, my locks are growing. There's been so much growth. Oh my gosh. See, if you're here from the ancestor money video, oh shoot. Let me update y'all on that really quick. Like, so I have this video. It's one of my most popular videos on this channel. And it's me talking about my experience with ancestor money, and man, oh man, that was 2018 summer, over a year ago, and so much has changed, so much has improved. Like, it's really not a game, it's not a joke, and I still do burn ancestor money too, and I have a picture of my grandma right there, so I just feel like there is so much magic in the spiritual realm happening simultaneously on this physical. And when you tune into it, and it just can be so beautiful when you're focused on love. I'm rambling now, but let me get back to the hair video. This is really like 12 videos in one. It's gonna be a thing, you know. Hairstyle number, what is it, like 7? is basically this, but with this. So it's any scarf that you, let's play some music. It's this with a scarf. Any scarf you want to use. You can wear like this, or you can push it back and then obviously do the edges. Make the edges look boom. Make the edges look boom. Okay, so where I'm in front, where I'm in back. Alright, so now the next hairstyle, yeah, we're gonna actually keep this in a ponytail. So this is important. So for this hairstyle, you want to have your hair all the way as low as it can go, and then you want to take another scarf, a long scarf, a big scarf, and then you want to center it at the neck, at the nape of your head. Wait, what am I doing? I'm doing this backwards. Sorry, kind of high. Alright, so we go like that, right? And then you take the back, and then you push it to the front, and then you just start twisting, like a cinnamon roll. And then you go around the bun, so the bun needs to be there so that when you start wrapping it, you can go around the bun. And then as you're twisting, just keep wrapping. And then you tuck it like that. And then here you have another low bun, but with a scarf. Obviously do your edges, and then there's your hairstyle. And you can just take that out. So the other version of that is gonna be higher up. So what I'm doing right now is just bringing all of my locks to the front, and sometimes I keep my longer one down so I can have an antenna picking up on people. So here's a pineapple. I have yet to wear my hair like this, but okay, so you take a scarf. It can be any scarf. I'm just choosing to use a different one. But you go to the back, and then you do the same thing. You literally do the same thing that you're doing before. But what I like to do for this one, sometimes you gotta like tie it a lot. Ooh. I haven't used this material yet to do this front style like this. I usually, because this is a new scarf, but this is the basic idea. It looks alright. I would do it again neater, but this is the basic idea. And when you use any scarf and just put it up, it'll look like this. Okay, so one more. It's one more hairstyle, y'all. One more. The next hairstyle